My name is John Dolan. I'm with Ideacom Communications Group, and I have an urgent request for 2 minutes of your time. The COVID-19 crisis is forcing all of us to innovate yet remain flexible. I want to help you think outside the box as it relates to technology and business continuity. Drastic times require drastic measures, and this is definitely one of those times. No one knows how long this crisis will last or how long you'll be forced to work from home. And once things do get back to some kind of normal, we don't know how many of us will be forced to continue working remotely. If your current phone system has become a bottleneck that's preventing real-time communications because it can't support remote functionality, we can help. Ideacom has a number of ways to extend communications beyond your office and help you work remote from anywhere. I can tell you firsthand that every situation is different, which means there is no one-size-fits-all. In some cases, we're helping companies activate a temporary cloud-based add-on to their current phone system. In other cases, we're simply deploying a mobile phone system where your smartphone becomes your extension and that's all you need. And many companies are text-enabling their main business phone number to create a new channel for communications. Since Ideacom has so many ways to contribute to those who need to communicate, we believe it is our obligation and responsibility to help whoever needs it, however they need it, as soon as possible. We are on call and have been actively helping clients adjust to working from home, in some cases by leveraging untapped capabilities they've never used before or were simply unaware even existed. Remember, we've got to think outside the box. Let us help you figure it out. Contact us to discuss ideas and potential solutions. You can email us at support@ideacom-nj.com or visit our website at ideacom-nj.com and click on Contact Us. Thank you. Be well and stay safe.